Kami nagbabalik muli para sa inyong pagbibilugan. So yun lang guys, no? Uy, dinosaur! Ayun ka kami, dito ka lang. Hindi ka naman harapan. Ayun, so like I said, we are now going to our next segment, which is the cosplay catwalk right here on the stage to front and showcase the beautiful and awesome cosplays of our cosplayers na nag-parade. And guys, continue pa rin kung gusto yung mag-talk bola. Free lang yan, walang problema yung walang registration, alright? So, our first cosplayer we will have our catwalk is Loki! Or President Loki! Next! 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 Alright, so while we are having our cosplay catwalk, I would like to call all the attendees or registered contestants of the singing contest. Please approach us here at the event booth to confirm your participation. Thank you. Again, calling the attention of all the registered contestants of the singing competition. Lapit na po kayo dito sa tech booth to confirm your participation to our contest. Thank you. Is this Black Saber? Next.
Ano kaya yan?
Next. Alright guys, just a reminder for our attendees, meron po tayong gang ban in effect right now. So we should follow and comply with the rules, okay? Next. Next. Alright, and may gusto ko bang umabot for our cosplay catwalk? Anyone? Last call? Okay! So palakpakan naman natin guys sa ating mga cosplayers. Pagkaganda pa rin kami ng mga cosplay.